Hey guys, welcome to Trending Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jabra SPEAK 510 Bluetooth enabled audio conferencing device. Now this is a really cool device to allow you to take phone calls, Skype calls, Google Hangout calls and so on using the inbuilt microphone and speaker to enhance the sound quality and the range of your calls. So let's take a look at what this can do. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out of its pouch. There we go. It's very light, it's pretty compact, it's got a solid build. The buttons around the edges here are soft buttons, so it's sort of like touchscreen. It doesn't press with physical buttons, you just hold down the icons here and that will select the specific options. It's got a nice rubber around the bottom here so that you put it on your desks and it doesn't move, it stays pretty solid. It comes with a USB wire that's been wrapped around quite conveniently, so you can just pull that out and connect via USB to your laptop. If you just want to use the Bluetooth option, you just keep it wrapped inside there, and it's pretty compact. So let's go ahead and see some of these buttons and what they do. To turn it on, you'd hold down the power button for 2 seconds. You can see it lit up and it's now on with the light that is on there at the bottom. If you wanted to check the battery percentage, just hold that down and you can see the green light has only gone up to there, which is about 25%. Just show you again, there you go. So ideally for 100% the green lights will be lighting up all around. Now if I wanted to connect my device via Bluetooth, I will just hold down the Bluetooth button for a few seconds.
Go to the Bluetooth menu on your mobile device and connect to Jabra SPEAK 510.
So now if I go onto my mobile phone, Jabra SPEAK has come up, so I will select that and it will give me a confirmation.
Connected to mobile device.
There we go, it connected pretty quickly, which is very convenient, and now I can start making calls using my mobile phone, using the Jabra speaker as the microphone. And this also is used as the speaker as well, and you can turn the volume up and down using the buttons here on the left and right. Left and right to get it up and down the volume. If you wanted to mute the microphone, you can by pressing that button here on the top. And you can answer calls using the answer button and end call button here just on the bottom sections there. Now let's take a look at the audio quality and see how that actually sounds. So let's go ahead and do a test to see if the audio quality is noticeably different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a phone call using Skype on my mobile device on the Google Pixel. And then I'm going to be using the Bluetooth speaker, the Jabra 510, to make the same Skype call and see the audio quality difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call my friend now and test the microphone quality coming from my mobile phone without the Jabra speaker. Hey Cyrus. Hey, can you hear me?
It's okay.
How is the audio quality? I'm using my phone to call you on Skype.
You're using what?
I'm using my phone to call you on Skype. Out of 10, how would you say is the audio quality?
Is this your phone?
Yeah, this is my phone.
Oh, right. I keep having what you just said.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call you back and I'm going to use the Jabra speaker.
Awesome.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, as you saw, my friend has told me that my voice is not that clear. So I'm going to be calling back using the Bluetooth connected device.
Connected to mobile device.
So I've turned my Bluetooth back on. Now I've connected using the Jabra speaker. Now let's see the difference in the audio quality from the same distance. I'm going to call back my friend and I'm going to be listening and speaking through the Jabra device.
Hello again, Sir Uma.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Is it a lot better?
Yeah, it's much clearer. less echoey, spacey.
How would you say out of 10 is the audio quality on this device?
Well, it feels like you're talking phone as opposed to talking a few meters away from it. Comparison out of 10, I'd definitely go for the Jabra. I kept having to ask you what you were saying before.
Yeah, that's completely the reason why I actually bought this, because it makes such a big difference when you're making calls.
That's so clear. Yeah, I give that a 9, 10.
Alright, perfect. Well, thanks for your time.
No worries, Uma. I'll see you later.
And I'll catch you later. So, as you can see, guys, my friend told me clearly that this has got a much better audio quality. The sound has been coming through a lot clearer. It picks up the distance of my voice. I'm about 2 feet away from the device at the moment, and compared to the phone, this is a very common issue. Actually, when you have a lot of meetings, if you do a lot of conferences, whether that's part of your job, this is something I definitely recommend, because you have people that always tend to be sitting far away from where the microphone is, and it's hard to hear people if you're just using your laptop or your phone. So I definitely recommend this. It picks up noises from up to 30 feet, and it can give you very clear audio. And the speaker itself, in terms of the feedback when you're getting it from the other end of the line, is also very good. And for the price you pay, I think it will do a very good job for many years, and I haven't found any problems. The one skeptical comment I wanted to make is about the buttons here. Sometimes when I'm pressing it, it's not as smooth as I would like it to be. Sometimes it's not recognizing the feedback. Even if I try and turn it on and off, just need to hold it for
Disconnected.
2 seconds and it turns off. 2 seconds to turn it on.
Connected to mobile device.
And sometimes it doesn't do that. So
Disconnected.
you just need to be aware that it's not, the buttons I think are not as smooth as they could be, but overall it's definitely still worth it. If you want to have clear audio, microphone quality, then I would definitely recommend you buy this. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the review of this Jabra SPEAK 510 audio conferencing device. Now for myself, I hold a lot of meetings as part of my day job, and I have people that are standing around in a circle somewhere at about 10 feet distance, and they can't hear when I'm dialing someone in on my laptop, which is one of the reasons why I've bought this. And it's very good, it's very convenient. It picks up these sounds from people talking from up to 10 feet, even up to 30 feet away, depending on how loud your background noises are. And I would highly recommend it if you hold a lot of meetings. It does the job great. It's not that pricey. I will leave a link in the description below on where you can buy it on Amazon. And if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys at the next video.